civil authorities from all over the motherfucking planet have issued an evil killer leprechaun alert, effective until midnight March 18th. Killer leprechauns are going around the world and killing everyone that doesn't wear green, with four-leaf clovers that are made to look like realistic weapons. The states with the most killer leprechauns are South Carolina, West Virginia, New Jersey, and Connecticut. And for some reason, Ireland. Is this the end of the world? Probably. We were off to a good start to the year and now people are being murdered on St. Patrick's Day. It even has people like Patches O'Halloran from the movie Luck of the Irish saying,
"If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball."
We are now receiving reports that Liam the Leprechaun is attempting to set leprechaun traps to stop the killer leprechauns right in their tracks, but so far it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are now receiving word that killer leprechauns are taking a royal shit in empty pots that has no gold in them. LOL. Anyway, as I was saying, wait a minute. Why do I hear footsteps? Holy butt shit sex with anal lubes. 317 killer leprechauns just entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not put that pot of gold up my ass.